Hey guys, what's up? So I am back to uploading videos on YouTube. Yay! So my exams got over and I rewatched the whole Harry Potter saga and I became an instant fan. I became a Potterhead. Now I just want to read all the books in my library. Everyone took them. Those which weren't taken had some penis pics in them and the pages were missing, so I didn't read them. You know what? Let's just get started.
Spider-Man?
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like panic. Tommy just burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced,
So I ordered from BBTS for the first time. So BBTS, or Big Bad Toy Store, is an American company which sells all your superhero and geeky merch. Mostly toys, as you can guess from the name. It ships to almost every country. So this is my experience shopping from BBTS. So this is the unboxing montage and you can see me struggling to open a box 10 seconds ago. Yeah, my smooth brain sometimes doesn't allow that. Never mind. Just see the toy haul. Coming from the late uploader or the guy who sounds like a child so YouTube turns off his comments. Said, we have the Shang-Chi figure with his dad Wen Wu or the Mandarin. Then we have the Taskmaster, Captain Marvel, Carnage, and very bad lighting. We have Peter Parker retro wave figure, Gwen Stacy / Mary Jane retro wave figure, Mysterio retro wave figure, and Luke Cage with that knockoff Wolverine wife. I forgot her name.
And Spider-Man.
I'm done.
So you can see the tape of the Delhi Post Office. So when the box came, I had to pay some extra tax upon the shipping price just because we have to do that here. So have a heads up if you live in India, because this can happen to you anywhere. My first box was okay, but this happened to the second one. We live in a free country, not a tax-free country. Mr. Ditkovich is the wisest person you will ever know. You must be wondering, how do others from BBTS? It's very simple. Go to the site, click on the figure you want, click on add to cart, then go to your cart, click on your country, click on checkout. Done. That's simple. Wait, holy smokes, $80? I added the figure even though I know I will never afford it. But you will be mine one day. Then you will receive 2 mails. I blurred out my address because you don't want to see it, man. Till then, bye. Take care of your loved ones and...
Pizza time. Pizza time.